Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Park the Dodge Grand Caravan on level ground and engage park. Set the parking brake and ensure the engine is off. Confirm you have completed the oil and filter service so you avoid clearing a legitimate reminder. Locate the dash instrument cluster and the trip/reset button on the steering column or cluster bezel. You will need to turn the ignition to RUN without starting the engine to access the vehicle computer menus. This prepares the ECM to accept the reset command. With the ignition in RUN and the dash illuminated, press and hold the trip or reset button on the instrument cluster. Continue holding until the display reads OIL life or remaining OIL life. This may take 3 to 5 seconds on many models. Release the button briefly, then press and hold it again for about 10 seconds. The percentage should flash and then reset to 100% or show service OIL life reset complete. If the display does not reset, cycle ignition off and after the reset sequence, turn the ignition off and then back to RUN to verify the instrument cluster now displays 100% oil life or confirms service OIL life reset complete. If the message did not change, repeat the procedure exactly, checking that you hold the button for the full 10 seconds during the second press. Some model years require slightly different timing. Finally, record the service date and mileage. Ensure proper disposal of used oil and the filter, and check for any dashboard warnings before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.